Hey guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to show you how to add and verify a domain in Brevo step by step. If you want your emails to look professional and reach inboxes more reliably, connecting your domain is one of the most important things that you can do. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course where I will teach you everything you need to know in detail. So let's get started. To add and verify a domain in Brevo, first log into your account and then you'll land on the main dashboard. From here, look at the top right of your screen rather, and click on the settings icon. Once you do that, it will take you directly into the system settings where you can manage everything related to email senders and domain setup. Once you enter the settings area, are you there? Good. Now, look at the left menu and scroll until you find the option called Senders Domain IP. You see it? Now, when you do, click on it. You'll be taken to the senders, domains, and dedicated IPs page, which contains all the tools that you need to manage your email infrastructure inside of Brevo. Inside this page, you'll find four main sections: senders, domains, dedicated IPs, and sending cadence. For this tutorial, we'll focus only on the domains section. Go ahead and click domains. Once you do, that domain section will open. Look at the top right corner and click the Add a Domain button. Do you see it? Good. This button starts the process of connecting your domain. So make sure that you have your domain name ready because you will need to enter it here. After clicking the button, a small pop-up window will appear. Inside of this window, type the domain name that you want to connect. Once you type it in, click on the Add a Domain button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. This officially adds your domain to your Brevo account so that it can be verified. For example, if this were a demo, we could enter something like shopify.com. Once you proceed, Brevo will open another pop-up window showing you three authentication methods. These include authenticate the domain automatically, authenticate the domain yourself, and ask someone else to authenticate the domain for you. At this point, just choose the method that matches your technical comfort level. Each one works, but some require more manual steps than others. For this tutorial, we will select authenticate the domain automatically. This is really the easiest method because Brevo handles all DNS records for you without requiring you to copy anything manually. After selecting the automatic authentication option, click the Continue button at the bottom. Brevo will now begin verifying your domain. And this process usually happens within seconds. And once it completes, your domain will be ready for sending automated emails. When your domain is verified, Brevo will mark it as authenticated, which means your emails will have a much better chance of landing in the inbox instead of the spam folder. It also makes your messages look more professional to subscribers because your own domain will appear in the from address. All right, that's how you add and verify a domain in Brevo. If you want to set up your account today, make sure to use the link below for 50% off of your first 3 months and full access to my complete Brevo course. If you found this tutorial helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.